up, my beautiful eye candy family? I'm super excited to be here to have this surprising unboxing. These are some frames that I was wanting to order a long time ago, but I was just like, okay, I know I'm going to have to pay a little more than what I'm used to paying, but they are a necessity. So I was just like, listen, stop putting it off and let's get to it. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. These are some frames by Voglam, and I ordered them because they are for computer usage. I am an online tutor, so I do a lot of work from online, and I need the blue light blocking. And I was putting it off, but I began to get little headaches, and I'm like, listen, I need to get this together. So this is my experience. We're unboxing. I already opened, well, took the script off. I haven't opened anything. So when I was looking through, while I'm unboxing, we're going to talk a little bit. When I was looking through, I'm like, what frames can I put them in? Because I'm going to have to wear them all the time when I'm online, and I tutor children and some adults, but I wanted to kind of still hold true to my personality. So as I'm tutoring the children, I'm like, listen, I want them to still get all of me, be excited. So I wanted some fun frames. So, but I didn't want to go overboard. Let's say that. So these are the frames. I'm so excited. Okay. First, before we take it off, you see I went with the tortoise feel kind of like to the side. So we have that. It's a plastic frame, and I went with the plastic style because I wanted it to be durable, because like I said, I'm going to be wearing these bad boys a lot. So here we go. I know it may be a surprise because I'm usually a cat eye type of girl, but these kind of put me in the square round type category. But I was very excited about the color. I wanted to still keep the personality. I'm taking the script off. I wanted to keep the personality of the frame, just like I said, because being an online tutor, you want to wear some frames that are exciting. So I want to catch the attention, but also keep that smile on those kids' faces, even some adults, because I actually tutor some adults as well. So here we go. I will put the name of these frames on the screen, and pretty much what these, I really like that they were round. I like that they were the bigger type. Let's take these hearts off, which are cute, but let's take these off and let's put this on. Let's see how this looks. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, so I really think they are cute. I'm super excited, like I said, for them, because these are my first ever blue light frames. And not only that, one thing that I really like is that they're lightweight. They are very durable. And what I find with a lot of Voglam's plastic frames, especially large ones, they are very, very durable. And I say that because I fall asleep a lot with my frames on, and sometimes when I'm in the middle of the night, they're on, I have to toss them to the side. I'm that person. They hold up very, very well. So these are cute. These are the frames that I will keep on my desk when I'm doing all my tutoring work because of the blue light blocking. And I will actually give an update. I may record another video sometimes down the road to see if I will be ordering another blue light, if I see a difference, you know, that these frames make when I'm actually teaching online. So I'll do that because I think that's important as well, to see the quality of their blue light frame. So let me know what you guys think in the description below. What do you think about these frames? Do you like them? If you wear any blue light blocking frames for computer work, if you do any online work and you're at the computer all the time, let me know of your experiences with them. Let me know where you order your frames from, how well they've worked for you. And if you have any suggestions, I'm up for that as well. So as always, thank you so much for joining me on this episode, or should I say, thank you so much for being a part of the Eye Candy family. And until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and amazing day. I am your one and your only Lady of Lenses, Lady Simone.